Creek has really been a priority for our office and the community for some time now. I think it's been since 2008 when I started working with the Friends of Medway Creek. That's kind of when they were created. So with that group specifically, we've done a whole lot of work throughout the Medway, the main branch of the Medway. We've done a lot of tree planting, and we've supported efforts with in-stream work, and it's been a really nice complement to the Conservation Services unit and with the Upper Thames. They've been doing their own work too in the Upper Medway Creek, and now the Thames River anglers are getting involved. So it's really nice to see all these groups of people coming together, and I think collectively we will make a really big difference. And we've been noticing it, and landowners now are understanding who we are, and we've built that relationship over time. There's that level of trust, which is what it takes to have a successful project. So
it's really fun! So we've been planting trees
by Medway Creek on 13 Mile Road
to help the creek. It was a lot of fun. We got to plant a lot of trees.
We're trying to help the environment around here by planting trees to help the river with erosion.
By getting kids out literally this close to the riverbanks, they're really able to see how their work planting trees helps strengthen those riverbanks and reduce erosion. And planting trees on top of that helps us both mitigate and adapt to the changing climate. That fund was set up specifically to help to engage and empower communities to protect their own corner of the Great Lakes. It's all about grassroots engagement and especially getting youth involved to help sort of foster in that culture of guardians of the Great Lakes and stewards of the land.
I'd really like to thank the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change, their Great Lakes Community Guardian Fund, because without their support and effort, these types of projects it's very hard to find funds for. So we really appreciate their passion and their dedication to these projects.